In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set minimum order quantity on Shopify 5 minutes. We're going to set up a minimum number of items a customer must add to their cart before checking out. This is useful for wholesale, bundles, or simply protecting margins on low-cost products. Shopify doesn't include this as a built-in setting for all stores, so we'll use an app to handle the rules cleanly. Start by heading to your Shopify admin dashboard. If you're not already there, sign in so you can access your store's settings. From the left-hand menu, open the Apps section. This is your hub for installing and managing tools that extend Shopify's features. In the Apps page, go to the Shopify App Store. That's where you'll find trusted apps that can enforce order limits. In the App Store search bar, type minimum order quantity. You'll see several options that offer order limits or cart restrictions. Choose an app that clearly supports minimum order quantities or order limits. Take a moment to skim the description, check recent reviews, and confirm the pricing fits your needs. If you sell internationally or use a custom theme, it's a good idea to check that the app supports your theme version and your checkout flow. When you're ready, click Install. Approve the requested permissions so the app can apply rules to your cart and checkout. Many apps offer a free plan or a trial, helpful if you're just testing your setup. After installation completes, open the app from your apps list. Inside the app, look for a section labeled Order Limits. This is where you'll define the rules that stop customers from checking out if they haven't met your minimum. Next, navigate to Order Total Quantity Limits. This area controls the minimum number of items required across the entire cart, rather than per product. It's a great fit if you want a store-wide minimum, like requiring at least 5 items per order. Set your minimum quantity to the number that makes sense for your business. For example, enter 5 if you want customers to buy at least 5 items in total. Many apps also let you customize the message customers see when they don't meet the minimum, so consider adding a clear, friendly note that explains the requirement and how to proceed. Finally, click Save to apply your changes. I recommend previewing your storefront and attempting a checkout with fewer than the required items to confirm the rule works as expected. If something doesn't behave correctly, clear your browser cache, verify your theme and cart settings, and consult the app's support documentation. That's it, your minimum order quantity is now in place.